Nutrition in human. The food that we eat has to be converted into nutrients so that each cell of our body can use it in the required form. This journey of food into essential nutrients involves the process of nutrition. Let us learn about this journey of food inside human body. At the end of this session, you will be able to define nutrition, identify nutrition in human as heterotrophic nutrition, describe the journey of food material from complex substances to simple nutrients in human body. Nutrition is the process by which organisms obtain and utilize food for their growth, development, and maintenance. The food we eat is complex material and it is converted into simple chemicals called nutrients. Nutrition in human is said to be of heterotrophic type because we depend on external sources like plants and animals for our food and nutrients. Food enters from the mouth and teeth grind it into small pieces. The salivary glands secrete salivary amylase that helps to soften the food. The tongue pushes it further to reach the pharynx, located in the throat, and then passes to esophagus. Esophagus is a long muscular tube extending from the pharynx and behind the trachea to the stomach. The food at this stage is called as bowel. The food travels by means of a series of contractions called peristalsis and reaches the stomach. The stomach has layers of muscular walls that mix the food and the liquids inside the stomach, such as hydrochloric acid. Pepsin enzyme converts it into a thick paste called chyme. From stomach, food travels via sphincter muscle to duodenum, which is a part of small intestine, and finally enter the small intestine. Small intestine is a major site of food absorption. It is a long coiled organ that digests proteins, fats and carbohydrates with the help of different enzymes. The liver releases bile into the small intestine that helps in breakdown of fats. Pancreas releases the enzyme containing pancreatic juices into small intestine. The enzymes help to digest carbohydrates, fats and proteins. The enzymes present in intestine walls finally convert proteins into amino acids, complex carbohydrates into glucose, and fats into fatty acids and glycerol. The walls of the small intestine have millions of small projections called villi. These villi contain many small blood vessels. Digested food is absorbed into these blood vessels of the villi, and these blood vessels carry the absorbed food to each and every cell of the body. Cells use these nutrients to obtain energy for the growth by building new tissues and repair of old tissues. The unabsorbed food called rugi is sent into the large intestine as waste material. The large intestine also has villi on its walls, which absorb water from this waste material, and finally it is expelled from the body through anus. So, the food we eat goes through many internal organs to form essential nutrients.